breeze in my helmet, eyes on the blue. Sky rolls forever in every hue. Mountains behind us, silence ahead, laughing with you in my head. Two wheels hum like a quiet song, open roads where the wild belong. You lean in close, wind in your hair. Freedom is better when you're there. Fresh air, no care, riding through the open where the soul feels bare. No map, just stars, chasing every sunset from the seat of our hearts. Gasoline dreams in the dusk glow light. Golden fields blur left and right. You laugh, I shift, time disappears. We write the stories only we hear. Every mile a moment made, wrapped in silence, never fades. The world's our screen, the sky our frame. Just me and you in nature's flame. Fresh air, no care, riding through the open where the soul feels bare. No map, just stars, chasing every sunset from the seat of our hearts. We'll ride again when the morning calls, over lakes, through valleys, waterfalls, where the heart is free and love won't stall. Two wheels, one road, we've got it all. We ride, let the world just fade away. We chase the wind, come what may.
Woke up with sunlight in your eyes, whispers of freedom in the skies.
You reach for me as the engine hums. Two hearts beat like a single drum.
Let the silence speak, let the miles flow. We don't need words when the stars show. Night falls, but we still glow. You and me, we let go. Ride the wind, breathe again. Open skies, wash away the pain.
Feel the fire in every bed. Love like this, it never ends. Hold me close, don't pretend.
We are more than
into the dark.
Headlights cut the silence apart.
Where the sky begins, we disappear, disappear. Nighttime fire in your gaze. We don't sleep, we drift through haze. Empty lanes, neon trees. Every breath a symphony. Speed becomes our only prayer. We are motion, we're the air. No fear, just flow. Let the shadows know. Ride with me where the sky begins. No more noise, just the pulse within. Let the beat erase the pain. Touch the stars in the pouring rain. Where the sky begins, we begin again. Dash lights blink, no destination. Every turn a new sensation. Midnight smoke and city lights. You and me in satellite flight. Keep your eyes ahead, don't blink. This is more than we can think. Feel the lift beneath your skin. Let go, let it begin. Ride with me where the sky begins. We break the dark with love and sin. Speed of light, hearts in flame. Roads like rivers, never tame. Where the sky begins, we begin again. You and me, eternally in motion. Ride with me where the sky begins. Let the silence pull you in. Time won't wait, but we can't bend. Just hold on, this is not the end. Where the sky begins, we begin again. Where the sky begins. Close your eyes and listen to the wind.
Where the sky begins, we disappear. Just you and me, shifting through the atmosphere. We ride beyond the static noise. The world fades out, it's just our voice. Rubber on the road, sky so wide. Your hand in mine, no need to hide.
We